In a nutshell, we're saying at this stage, we just have to show the court that we have an arguable case that the DOE and the NEAC made a mistake. They made a mistake in layman's terms by not recommending a public hearing when the law has a list of factors that should be considered in deciding whether to have a public hearing. So the law, the environmental law, lists like the magnitude of the project, the complexity of it, the magnitude of the investment, whether there's a deep interest in it by the public. We're saying all of these things existed. Therefore, the decision makers ought to have recommended a public hearing. But perhaps more egregiously, we're saying that before they could have gone on to consider whether to approve the EIA, they ought to have complied with the statute where say you must give the public 2 full weeks notice to get their comments together and submit it. When you look at the time when the EIA was submitted, 21st of February, and the date when it was considered and approved by DOE, which I believe was the 4th of March, 2 weeks hadn't expired. So they were rushing the thing and doing it in breach of the law, which is set up there to make sure that the public has full opportunity to participate.
In terms of looking at the issues of the initial EIA, I'm sure that you're all aware of some of the concerns that were stemming out of that and some of the gaps that were in that particular process. We ultimately would like to fall back to our original position in terms of standing on the principle and the grounds of where the master plan holds, again, a development of this magnitude in that particular region of the country. It is going against that, and if there is a need, for example, to revisit this EIA process, obviously one of the basic tenets of that process would recommend, and we're seeing and saying, rather, that we want to see a hearing as part of that process, because we need to be able to ventilate and be able to provide the requisite information to the public and for the public to truly understand and have an opportunity to be able to comment in on any development of this magnitude, which we feel has not been done initially.